Realme's latest smartphone called Realme P3 Ultra is now official in India, with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme P3 Ultra features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution quad-curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1500 nits of peak brightness support. And the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to 14 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme P3 Ultra sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX896 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 80 watts ultra-fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.1 by 76.9 by 7.38 millimeters, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme P3 Ultra 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 26,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 27,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 29,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in glowing lunar white, Neptune blue, and Orion red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme P3 Ultra 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.